walk your feet out a little bit away from the wall, and you can have your hands against the wall to help you get set up. And the goal will be to try to get down the parallel. So what I mean by that is this femur, this long bone, your thighs, try to have it parallel to the ground. And then you're going to have your back against the wall. You're going to have your feet under your knees. And then what you're going to do is you're going to lean forward. I like to tell people, get your nose over your toes, and then stand up. And then sit back down. The big thing that I want you to focus on as you're doing this exercise is to really...
Again, at this bottom position, drive in with the heel. Make sure to engage your glute muscles to pull yourself up. Avoid overarching at the low back. You want to make sure to engage the glutes. You want to pretend like there's
this space so that your knee's right at the edge of the table. Now sitting here, I want you to point your foot towards you and then kick your knee straight as far as you can, really squeezing this muscle on top of your thigh. Hold for as long as prescribed and slowly relax down. And then you'll